Today we will introduce you to the installation of acrylic mirrors. After receiving the goods, first check whether the mirror surface has unevenness. Contact customer service if you have any questions. Don't be in a hurry to peel off the protective film. Choose a flat and smooth wall to stick it on. Uneven walls are a no-no. And none of the following walls. Stick to the four corners of the mirror with the supplied adhesive backing. More is not always better. Don't be in a hurry to peel off the protective film on the adhesive backing after you've pasted it. Apply the backing and then check the height on the chosen wall to make sure it's the right height. Whether the mirror is deformed, then paste. Remove the adhesive backing film. Press up and down at the height you just selected. Then smooth out the mirror. Peel off the protective film directly after the final paste is completed. One last thing for you. Never use dry towels on mirrors. Dry rags and dry paper towels wiped vigorously and repeatedly, otherwise it will cause irreversible scratches. If it needs to be cleaned, dampen the mirror and use a wet wipe to gently carry it through. Just wait for air drying. It is still recommended that mirrors should not be wiped down too often.